In this video, I will quickly show you how to make a call on Microsoft Teams to communicate using audio or video. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or phone and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, go to the chat option in the side menu and open the conversation with the person you want to call. At the top of the chat window, you will see two icons, a phone icon and a camera icon. Click the phone icon to start an audio call or click the camera icon to start a video call. Microsoft Teams will send a notification to the other person to join the call. Once the person answers, you can start talking normally. During the call, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and share your screen if needed. When you want to end the call, simply click the red button to finish the call. This process works for both individual and group conversations. And that's it. Now you know how to call on Microsoft Teams easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.